A new plan from the White House aims to curb the growing heroin epidemic in states with high rates of abuse. Experts tell Fox 23's Kyla Campbell the entire country could use the help. It's all new at 5.
Heroin deaths have quadrupled in the past decade. Now the Office of National Drug Control Policy is investing more than $13 million to reduce heroin distribution in states with high rates of abuse.
We're dealing with basic laws of supply and demand.
Mike Barnes with the Center for Lawful Access and Abuse Deterrence says this investment is crucial. The money will help police and public health officials work together to find the source of heroin distribution and make sure addicts get help.
We haven't given people enough treatment or access to the resources that they need to get well and get over their drug problems.
Dozens of cities and states have created laws to help addicts, letting them come forward for treatment without facing criminal charges. Experts say that's helped reduce the recidivism rate.
You can deal with the supply of drugs through law enforcement efforts, but you also have to then address the demand, and that means getting treatment for people who need it.
He predicts the Obama administration will eventually expand this pilot program nationwide. In Washington, covering News That Matters, Kyla Campbell, Fox 23 News.
Many people abusing heroin switched to the street drug from opioid painkillers. The feds are trying to curb doctors from overprescribing those medications. More details tonight. Fox 23 has told you about heroin use right here in Oklahoma. The Oklahoma office of the DEA says we're part of a super highway that connects several parts of the country to Mexico. Officials say that makes it easier for people to get access to drugs. In 2014, investigators told us there were 3 known distribution cells operating here in Tulsa.